Alright, imagine you could zoom way, way in, like shrink down to the size of an atom. What would you see inside things like salt, diamonds, or even the sugar in your kitchen? You'd find one of nature's best magic tricks, perfect repeating patterns known as crystalline solids. So, what exactly are crystalline solids? Simply put, they're a type of solid where atoms, ions, or molecules line up in a super-organized three-dimensional pattern called a crystal lattice. Think of it like a massive invisible Lego set, where every brick snaps into place over and over in all directions. Crystalline solids have some cool standout features. First up, they keep a definite shape and volume. Unlike liquids, they don't flow or slosh around. What you see is what you get. Second, they melt at a sharp, precise temperature. That's because all their little building blocks are bonded together just right, so the whole structure breaks apart at once. Ever heard of anisotropy? That's a fancy way of saying that their properties, like how hard they are or how well they conduct electricity, can actually change depending on which direction you measure. And the real kicker, these patterns stretch all the way across the crystal, not just in tiny patches. That's called long-range order. You see crystalline solids everywhere. Salt on your fries? That's sodium chloride. Diamonds in jewelry, quartz in your watch, copper in wires, even plain old sugar, all crystalline. They come in different types too. Ionic solids, like table salt, are held tight by ionic bonds. Covalent network solids, like diamond or quartz, are strong because of covalent bonds. Metallic solids, think gold or iron, feature metal cations floating in a sea of electrons. And then there are molecular solids like ice or sugar, stuck together by weaker forces. So, next time you look at a crystal, remember, you're seeing nature's blueprint for order, a perfect pattern, repeated billions of times over. That's crystalline solids for you.